Hello everyone, I'm Mr. Kastler, the auto body repair instructor here at Reading-Muhlenberg Career and Technology Center. In auto body repair, we specialize in fixing collision damaged vehicles, putting them back to the pre-accident condition. This could be something as simple as a small scratch touch-up, or as complicated as structural repairs requiring major vehicle components to be replaced. In this class, you'll be trained on a wide variety of tools and equipment used in today's collision repair industry. If this seems interesting to you, check out our Zoom meeting during our virtual open house. Thank you.